How to add pattern to a fabric or clothes. Open the image. Go to the file and click Place Embedded. Select the pattern and click Place. Place the pattern on top of the shirt or fabric. Make sure it covers the area of the shirt. Now, duplicate the subject layer. To duplicate the layer, right-click and select the duplicate layer. Or you can do this by dragging it to the New Layer button in the Layers panel. Hide the pattern layer. Select the Quick Selection tool and start making your selection. Take time and make your selection accurate and precise. Now create a layer mask. Unhide the pattern layer. Clip the pattern layer to the mask layer by pressing Alt and click on the masked layer. Change the blending mode to linear burn. Or you can change the blending mode to whatever looks best with your image and pattern. Right-click and open the blending option. In the underlying layer, hold Alt to split the sliders. It will help your pattern to look more real. And you are done. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.